5 common car washing mistakes. Autodoc. Mistake 1. Applying shampoo to a wet car body. A layer of water on the surface dilutes the concentrated washing agent and reduces its efficiency. It also means the shampoo runs off too quickly and doesn't have time to take effect. The correct way to apply foamed car shampoo is onto a dry body. You can make an exception for a very dirty vehicle, for example after driving off-road. Mistake 2. Manually spreading a detergent designed for touchless washing. The product should only be washed off with a high-pressure water jet. This type of car shampoo doesn't have any friction-reducing additives, so spreading the foam manually with a sponge could damage the paintwork. Besides, touchless detergents are harmful for health if they come into contact with the skin or eyes. Instead, use a shampoo designed for manual washing. This contains a lubricant that doesn't irritate the skin and is gentle on the paintwork. Mistake 3. Washing the car from the bottom up. Don't start washing from the lower part of the car body. This will move dirt up to cleaner areas. As a result, the upper part of the body will be damaged by small abrasive particles. It's better to start washing your car from the roof and gradually move downward. Wheel rims, door seals, wheel arches and bumpers should be cleaned last. Use a separate mitt or sponge for these components. It's important to rinse your cleaning tool regularly with clean water to wash off the dirt carefully without rubbing it into the paintwork. Avoid frustrating car care mistakes. Register with Autodoc Club and you'll always have useful tips on car care at hand. Mistake 4. Making circular motions when washing a car manually. Car body washing is not polishing. Autodoc app. All car parts at the lowest prices on your phone. Try it for yourself. Using a sponge in circular motions may lead to swirl marks. These are harder to remove than straight ones. The best method is using straight strokes in one direction. Don't forget to rinse the sponge with clean water regularly to thoroughly wash off any grit stuck in its pores. Life hack from Autodoc. Use 2 buckets when washing your car manually. Fill one bucket with clear water and the other one with a shampoo solution, mixing it to create a lather. First, dip the sponge into the bucket with the car care product and use it on the selected area of the surface. Then make sure to rinse the sponge in clean water. Mistake 5. Drying the body with unsuitable accessories. Don't use rags or paper towels to wipe the surface dry. These are bad at removing moisture and leave smears and scratches. Instead, you should use microfiber cloths. These are lint-free, gentle on surfaces, and absorb water well. Note: avoid applying too much pressure on the body panels. To speed up the process, prepare several cloths and change them as they get wet. You can find a wide variety of these accessories in the Autodoc online shop at a fair price.